Hello everyone. Welcome today. On a Monday. Yes, it's Monday, August the 30th, almost end of the month. We have only one regular Sudoku, and I've solved this a few minutes ago. The Sudoku medium, and I don't see any extra Sudokus in today's newspaper, so I've decided to um solve the Wednesday edition. Yes, the Wednesday edition, because the Friday edition there was also no extra Sudokus. The Thursday edition I have solved all of them. So there are three Sudokus left in the Wednesday edition. So I will solve these three babies. And the first one is a letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number 3318. 3318. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27. Yes, same amount as the one star Sudoku. But I'm faster with the one star Sudoku because I need more time for the letter Sudoku, because I cannot do a double check. So, and every time those letters, 9 letters, I have here 9 letters, are different. We have here in this letter Sudoku an O, an I, and J, the V, the E, the L, the A, the N, and the P. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. Two missing letters here. Those missing letters are the N is missing, and the L is missing. The N and the L. We have an N in this big square, so no N in this box. The N should be in that box. The L is left, alright. And now. We have an L in this column, L in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the L should be here or there. We see there now, no L there, L should be here. Yeah. O in this row, O in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only three places for the O, could be here, or there. We see here, no O there. Here, no O there. The only place for the O should be there. Alright. Let me see. I. The E, the N. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an I. We see an I, no I in these three boxes. There, and I, no I in those two boxes. So one box left for the I. Should be there. I, okay. I. Then. How about the letter yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. Two of those missing letters are the N and the E. We have an N and an E in this column, so no N and E in these three boxes. The N and the E goes in those two boxes. No. Yeah. N and the E. Okay, N and the E goes in those two boxes as a pair. So what are the other three boxes? The J is missing. The L is missing. And the the A is missing. Yes, the A. J, A, and the L. J, A, and L. Yes, I cannot fill this yet. Need to. Well. The L. We have a double L here. L. L in this row. L in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the L should be there. Two missing letters now in this big square. The A and the J are missing. We see here an A. No A there. A should be here. And the J goes there. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Okay. So we have a J in the last row, J in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the J should be here or there. We see that J, no J there. J should be here. J in this column, J in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the J should be here. J in the first row, J in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the J should be here or there. We see that J, no J there. J should be here. Then I cannot continue with the J. How about two missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the I is missing and the N is missing. We see an N, no N there. N should be here and I goes there. Alright. Okay. So we have I in this row, I in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for the I should be here or there. We see there and I know I there. I should be there. Okay. Okay, two missing letters now in this row. The E is missing. And the V is missing. The V. Well, we have a V in this big square, so no V there. The V should be here. And the E goes there. Alright. So we have an E in this. Well, we have a pair. E and I in this column. First column. E and I in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the E and I should be in those two boxes as a pair. E and I, we have an E there, so no E there. E should be here, and I goes there. Alright. Alright. Then. Oh, oh. Missing the O here. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is no. We see here no O in these two boxes. So one box left for the O. Should be there. O in this row. O in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the O should be here or there. We see there no O there. O should be there. O in the third column, O in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the O should be here or there. We see there no O there. O should be there. And all the O's are used. I can see. Letter number one, letter O. Yeah. two missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the N is missing and the P is missing. We see here P, no P there. P should be here and the N goes there. Now we have an N there. So this box can't be N anymore. That box should be an N. And this box should be an E. Alright. One box left in the last row. For the letter A. A is missing, yes. One box left in this big square for the letter E. E, yes. Alright. Alright. Then okay. Two missing letters in this third column for the letters. N is missing and V is missing. Yeah, the V. We see here an N, no N there. N should be here and the V goes there. Okay. And then, yeah. Yeah. We have a pair. We have... No. Yeah. Four missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is J. We see here J, no J in these two boxes. So the J could be here, could be there. Then this is the J. V. And in the third column and in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the N should be there. Those two missing letters in the first column are the letters P is missing and the A is missing. P and A. P-A. Let me... Personal assistant. Yes, let me... So one letter is missing here in this big square. The J I have here. And the letter... The L. Yes, the L is missing. The J and L. Let me... JL. Mark those two boxes. Alright. Alright. And now, how about those two numbers? Letters. The P is missing. And the V is missing. The V. Well, we have a V in this big square, so no V in this box. The V should be there. And the P should be here. Now we have a P here. This box cannot be P anymore. That box should be a P. And this box should be an A. Alright. So we have an A in this row, A in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the A should be there. One letter is missing in this big square for the letter E. So we have an E in this row, E in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places for the E should be here or there. We see there an E, no E there. E should be here. Then yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters. One of the missing letters is an A. We see here an A, no A in these two boxes. There an A, no A in these three boxes. So the A could be here, could be there. Oh, we have another A there. So the only box left for the A, because we have an A here, this box cannot be an A anymore. That box should be an A, okay. So we have A in this row, A in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the A should be there. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters P and the V are missing. We see here V, so no V there. V should be here, and a P should be there. Yeah. 2 missing letters in this big square. The P is missing. And the N is missing. The N. We see here an N. No N there. N should be here. And the P goes there. And in the third row and in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the N should be there. 1 box left in the second row for the letter V. Yes, V is missing. So we have a V in this column, V in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the V should be here or there. We see there V, no V there. V should be here. Then 2 missing letters in the last column. The P is missing. No. We have a P here. The J is missing. And the letter L. Yeah, the L. The J and the L. We see here J. No J there. J should be here. And the L goes there. Now we have a J here. So this box can't read J anymore. That box should be a J. And this box should be an L. We have solved this word paviljoen. Yes. The last 2 letters in this big square are the letters L is missing. And I is missing. No. We have also there 2 missing letters. Not the final 2 letters. Yes, the I and the L. The I and the L. We have an L here, so no L there. L should be here. And I goes there. I in this column. I in the column next. On that column, the only place for the I should be here. 1 letter is missing in this big square for the letter P. Finish in 70 minutes. Alright. Great letter Sudoku. A little bit slower than the 1-star Sudoku because I cannot do a double check. And those letters are different every time. And with numbers, you have the following up number or following down number. So with the numbers, it will be faster than the letters. Alright. But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the 2 stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.